I started making my own mozzarella probably about 5 or 6 years ago. It was my gateway drug into cheese making. It's one of the easiest cheeses to make. It's not a complicated process like your Gouda would be or other more sophisticated cheeses would be. So it's a very nice but fun way to get to know the material and the curds and to have a little bit of fun. My name is Heike Chetty and I live in Hogsback in the beautiful Amatola Mountains. So we'll be spending 4 hours together. In those 4 hours I'll be teaching you how to make the mozzarella. It's a hands-on process that you're going to be doing. You're going to make your own mozzarella balls, traditional Italian mozzarella balls. Some of it you will take home with you so you can show your family what you've done in the 4 hours with me, and the rest we will eat for lunch together. It's really great to be in charge of your family's nutrition and to know exactly what goes into the food you eat. The course will be held at the Turako table, which is the restaurant of my friends. It's got beautiful views of the mountain, so you are in for a treat. I will give you written notes for the course and they will also be available for download later on. You don't need to bring anything, you just bring yourself, bring as many questions as you like. We only have 15 spaces available, so look for the link in the description below or in our bio and book your spot, and I'm looking forward to making cheese with you soon.